I really liked this apartment 10/10. The exterior was really beautiful as well as the interior with a luxurious feel. The apartment was exactly as it looked on booking.com with no faults throughout our stay.
The setback is the bed, which is not big enough for a family or three, let alone my family of four, and the bed was not comfortable as it has much of springs in it than the normal foaming bed, which is more comfortable. There was no air conditioner as it was written on booking.
The area is close to the center and you can get the DLR train after 3 minutes walk. So you can be at the Waterloo station in 20 minutes. Also, you have a beautiful view from the 17th floor on the O2 Arena. In 3 minutes walk you can be at a food shop, also to a restaurant.
Lack of parking and no safe places to unload luggage.
Immaculate, stylish and comfortable, great views and location. We visited for a weekend at the Excel and it was less than 10 minutes walking. Great places to eat nearby and the O2 minutes away on the Sky carriages. Tesco is close by for any last-minute
It was
toiletries
cold
and
and took a while to warm. Some deferred maintenance and a few more towels and garbage cans would be nice. It was a last-minute rental, to be fair.